I'll hold it.
Okay, hi. Okay, today we're gonna try to find something. We're gonna shoot it. This gun. It's called Grizzly. And you can hear that we have a few bullets. We're gonna shoot a bird. Try, at least, or squirrel. Yeah, yeah. Okay. For now, I'm gonna have to leave you and then wait. Like, yeah, and then. What we're gonna do? Sleep! So today, we're gonna be shooting squirrels and birds. Whatever. Okay, bye.
What kind are you guys gonna do? What the hell is that? Is it not dead? Bird. Is it a dead one?
Fake.
No. Is there a fake one?
I don't know. This is a real one? I don't know. This is a live one?
I don't know.
Is it an inbox one?
Yeah.
I see one right there. Right there. Okay, watch this. Oh my God, let's go. What are we gonna do? Hi. Look at this. Let's do this. Okay, today I see a bird. Look at this. Oh.
Let me try.
One more. Oh, frick! One more, frick!
Kids always say that.
This is actually my last one. Got him. Okay, now we shot one. Holy snap, look at that.
This is how you kill them.
Woodpecker. Woodpecker.
Put
Woodpecker.
it on here.
Okay. This is what we're gonna do to it. Okay. No, don't do this to me. Okay, but frick, we're gonna do it to him. Sorry.
No, it's alive.
No, it's actually real. You freaking killed it, I did. Didn't you just see? Didn't you just see? I just killed it.
You killed it?
Yeah, right behind Shadow.
Did you already show them?
Yep.
It's my little sister.
Low mine was trying to put it like a wood.